Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw crypto on MemeFi Wallet. MemeFi Wallet is a decentralized crypto wallet on Telegram that lets users store, send, and receive tokens while participating in MemeFi airdrops and DeFi activities within the app. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your MemeFi mini app on Telegram. Go to Wallet. Here's how the MemeFi Wallet looks. Here, you will see your total balance. Below will be the deposit and withdraw button. And underneath will be the list of crypto available. MemeFi Wallet is under Linear Network. To add funds to your MemeFi Wallet, like ETH, you tap on the deposit button. Here, you can scan the QR code or copy your deposit address. Let me copy mine. Now, go to your external wallet where you have the fund. In my case, I will use my LBank account to deposit. By the way, if you haven't signed up on LBank Exchange, check the video description for the sign up link to register. Let me deposit ETH. Choose On-Chain. You paste your deposit address here from MemeFi Wallet. Make sure to use Linear Network. The fee will be 0.0006 ETH or $1.45. Enter the amount. Once all is set, you tap Submit and proceed with the process. This time, let me show you how to withdraw your crypto on MemeFi Wallet. To withdraw your crypto, you click on Withdraw or pick the token you want to withdraw. Let's say ETH. Click on Withdraw. Here, you paste your external deposit address. Let me use my LBank account again to receive my withdrawal. Choose the same crypto. Make sure you select Linear Network. Please be aware that if you use another network, your funds will get lost. Here, you can scan the QR code or copy your deposit address. Let me copy mine. Go back to MemeFi Wallet and paste your external deposit address here. Enter the amount of withdrawal. Let's say I want to withdraw 1 ETH. Make sure you have sufficient ETH for the gas fee. Here, you will see the blockchain fee. Once all is set, you click Withdraw. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.